In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the GitHub Slack app. We'll walk through connecting GitHub to a specific Slack channel so your team can see updates like pull requests, issues, and commits directly in Slack. By the end, you'll have the app installed and ready to finish any repository-specific setup you need. First, open Slack and go to the channel where you want GitHub activity to appear. This might be a team channel, a project channel, or a dedicated alerts channel. It's important to pick the right place because notifications can get noisy, and you want them where your team already collaborates. Once you're in that channel, look toward the right-hand side of the screen for the option to add apps. In most layouts, you'll see an Add Apps link or button underneath the channel details. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Slack app directory inside your workspace, which is where we'll find the official GitHub app. In the search bar that appears, start typing GitHub. As you type, Slack will filter the available apps. Make sure you choose the official GitHub app published by GitHub, not any third-party tools that might have a similar name. Click on the GitHub app to open its details page. On the GitHub app page, you'll see an overview of what the app can do, along with an Add to Slack button. Click Add to Slack. If you don't see this option, you may need admin permissions in your Slack workspace, so you might have to ask a workspace admin to complete this step for you. After clicking Add to Slack, you'll be taken to an authorization screen. Here, Slack shows you the permissions that the GitHub app is requesting, such as reading messages in specific channels and posting updates. Take a moment to review these so you understand what access you're granting. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Allow to continue. Once you allow access, Slack may prompt you to open a link in your browser to complete the connection. Choose the option to open that link. This usually takes you to GitHub's side to either sign in, if you're not already, or confirm the installation for your GitHub account or organization. After this browser step, the GitHub app is connected to your Slack workspace, and your channel can now be configured for repository notifications or /commands according to your team's needs.